Our quick weekend getaway to the Caribbean town of Cahuita, Costa Rica was amazing. We saw so many animals, swam in warm blue waters, and ate delicious food.
Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Emily.
And we love unconventional, minimalist travel. Our plan is to take the bus from our apartment in Turrialba in the center of Costa Rica to the coastal town of Cahuita. Since we have to take 3 different buses and it's not very easy to find accurate bus schedules, we're packing super light so we can be really agile getting around. We're packing 3 days worth of clothing, beachwear, flip-flops, toiletries, sunscreen, bug spray, water bottles, and of course our smoke and carbon monoxide detector, all into our tiny day packs. I'm using a 20-liter Solomon hiking pack, and Chris's is about similar size. With everything packed, it's time to catch our first bus. We're getting on the 6 a.m. bus from Turrialba to Siquirres, Costa Rica. The bus goes down some pretty windy roads for about 90 minutes. We've arrived in Siquirres and the bus luck is with us. We're able to get on our second bus of the trip after waiting only about 20 minutes. This bus is taking us past some major centers for big fruit companies like Dole, Del Monte, and Chiquita. We've arrived in Limon and heading to the next bus terminal to see when we can catch the last bus of the trip. Our bus luck is still with us. Only a 30-minute wait to catch the last bus to our destination of Cahuita, Costa Rica. Taking the super early bus from Turrialba at 6 a.m. has paid off. It's only 11 a.m. and we're already arriving in Cahuita. We're here so early, our hotel room isn't even ready yet, so we're going to grab some food at the Caribbean bar down the street. We've ordered some patacones, which are freshly smashed and fried, along with some guacamole. And since we're on vacation, I'm getting it started with a mojito too. Now we're ready to hit Playa Negra, chill out along the beach, have a seaside dinner, and go to bed early because we have a big day ahead of us. For our only full day here, we're going to check out the Cahuita National Park, which is supposed to be filled with wild animals and beautiful beaches. I'm really hoping to see some monkeys and the elusive sloth. But first, some breakfast. Cahuita National Park has 2 entrances. The Playa Blanca entrance is the one we're taking, and the entry fee is by donation. We've only been in the park a few minutes, and already we're seeing lots of monkeys and even a sloth way up in the trees. Though it's a bit hard to see, so hopefully we can spot one a bit closer later. Just by walking along this trail and listening to the animals lets us see so much. Cute baby monkeys, raccoons that want to steal your food, howler monkeys with their intimidating calls, monkeys that seem very curious and let you pose with them for a photo. So many little lizards, crabs, and tons of birds. That monkey just ran right by me. I see 2 monkeys. Oh, there's another one over there. Oh wow, there's a 4th one too. We've been walking for a few hours and have weaved our way back and forth between the beaches and the jungle trail to Cahuita Point. The water here is so warm and blue, so we're going to hang out for a bit. The national park closes at 4 p.m., but the point closes at 2 p.m. to make sure we have enough time to get back. Time to start heading back. We're continuing our slow walk so we can spot as many animals as we can. And also we're going to run into the warm Caribbean waters a few more times. We've been looking for sloths, but they're kind of hard to spot as they don't move very much, and there are a lot of trees they can be hiding in. So time to leave the park and get some food. Looks like there's a fake sloth sitting in the tree by the restaurant. Oh, its eye just blinked. We've finally spotted another sloth. It looks like it's posing so perfectly. All day we've been looking to see a sloth close up, and this one is just lounging next to us as we sip on our guayabana and papaya drinks and eat our enchiladas and burritos. Cahuita is such a cute town on Costa Rica's Caribbean coast, filled with fun restaurants, great beaches, and lots of animals. Getting here by bus took some time, but it was worth it to see what we saw. If you want to know more details about our trip, check out our blog. The link is in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more unconventional, minimalist travel adventures.